everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be refreshing ibuchim's braid. She has cough and catarrh, so I can't make a new hairstyle for her, but we're going to be restyling this one. This is the hairstyle I made last week, about 4 days ago, but we're about to go to church today, so I'm going to make refresh it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking a gel, and I'm going to use this gel to hold her hair, just gather any excess, any flyaways with a brush. I'm going to apply gel, then I'm going to brush it all together. And because the root of the hair has been loosened up too much, I'm going to take a rubber band and hold the root of the braid. This is what I did, you see. Then after this, I'm going to go ahead and roll the braid into a bantu knot. After I hold it with a rubber band, I'm going to go ahead and roll it into a bantu knot. I use this one of my fancy ribbon rubber band and hold the bantu knot together just so it doesn't move. And guys, this hairstyle is so pretty. Like, you would think that I made a new hairstyle on her. You won't even know it, guys. She had this hairstyle on for extra 4 to 5 days, making it about 8 to 9 days. Like, this is so time saving, and since she's feeling sick, don't need of going to drag her root. Okay, just refresh the braid, guys. And one thing, you can also do this on, even if you has a twist. If you has a twist perhaps you can do this hairstyle too. So I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to use gel to gather everything together. If I see some that the root has loosened too much, I'm going to go ahead and use a rubber band and gather the roots again. Then I'll go ahead and roll it into a bantu knot. This girl can't stay one place. After rolling it into a bantu knot, I'm going to use this ribbon rubber band. This one is extra strong rubber band, and I'm just going to tie it together on her bantu knot. I'm going to repeat this process throughout her hair. Then after I'm done putting all the braids into a bouncy knot, I'm going to go ahead and use the brush and gather all her baby hairs that are left. I'm going to just hold everything together like so. Look at the ones I still have. I'm not yet done. I'm just going to do the same thing to the back. I'm going to gather the bouncy knot at the back. She keeps on fussing around, guys. I'm going to hold with a fancy rubber band. This rubber band makes this styling or refreshing so beautiful. And that is all for this video, you guys. I hope that you learned a thing or two from this. Give it a try and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you all so much. Until next time. Bye guys. Mwah.